The traditional 9-to-5 workday is steadily evolving. Many people are seeking additional income streams. This is where the side hustle comes in. A side hustle is any work you do alongside your primary job. It's a way to earn extra money, explore passions, and gain new skills. So, why are side hustles so popular? One reason is financial security. A side hustle can provide a safety net in uncertain economic times. Side hustles also allow for personal growth. They let you explore interests outside your regular job. The rise of the gig economy has fueled the side hustle trend. Platforms like Uber, Etsy, and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to find freelance work. With the rise of powerful new technologies like AI, even more opportunities are emerging. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world. It is also creating exciting new possibilities for side hustles. AI tools are becoming more accessible and user-friendly. This opens up opportunities for those with even basic tech skills. One of the key benefits of AI is automation. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more creative and strategic work. For example, AI-powered writing assistants can generate content, while AI-powered chatbots can handle customer service inquiries. AI is also revolutionizing fields like data analysis and marketing. AI algorithms can analyze massive datasets to identify trends and patterns. This allows businesses to make better decisions and target their marketing more effectively. Content creation is a popular side hustle choice. It is also an area where AI is making a significant impact. AI writing tools can generate high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would take a human writer. These tools use natural language processing, or NLP, and machine learning algorithms to produce human-like text. They can write blog posts, articles, social media updates, and even books. AI can also help with content research, topic generation, and editing. For those who enjoy writing, AI tools can be a huge asset. They can help you overcome writer's block, improve your productivity, and even generate new content ideas. You can use these tools to start a freelance writing business, create content for your own website, or even write a book. Section 4. AI Side Hustle. AI Tutoring and Education. The demand for AI skills is growing rapidly. This has created a surge in demand for AI education and training. If you have expertise in AI, you can leverage this demand by becoming an AI tutor or instructor. You can offer online courses, workshops, or one-on-one tutoring sessions. You can teach people the fundamentals of AI, specific AI tools and techniques, or how to apply AI in their own businesses. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare make it easy to create and sell online courses. Another option is to offer AI consulting services. You can help businesses understand how to leverage AI to improve their operations, develop new products and services, or gain a competitive edge. Section 5. Launching your AI side hustle journey. Starting an AI side hustle might seem daunting. However, there are many resources available to help you get started. The first step is to identify your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Next, research different AI side hustle options. Consider your skills, interests, and the market demand for various services. Once you have a few ideas, start developing your skills. There are many online courses, tutorials, and resources available. It's also a good idea to network with other AI professionals. Join online communities, attend industry events, and connect with people on LinkedIn. Building relationships can help you find clients, partners, and mentors. Section 6. The future of AI and the side hustle. AI is still in its early stages of development. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more opportunities for AI-powered side hustles. AI will likely automate even more tasks, creating new opportunities for creative and strategic work. We can also expect to see new AI tools and platforms emerge. These tools will make it easier for people to start and grow their own AI-powered businesses. The future of work is changing. AI is playing a major role in this transformation. By embracing AI and developing AI-related skills, you can position yourself for success in the rapidly evolving job market. Whether you're looking to earn extra income, explore a new passion, or future-proof your career, AI side hustles offer a world of possibilities.